We're in my room at the North Allegheny Museum of Hotel and Elevator Parts. This is my office. My dining table that I'm using for storage. Here's my computer, which I'll turn on for you. Sorry, I have to switch fingers. Got another password. So there you have it. A Windows XP computer startup in 2018. Over there is the Citizens Bank Plaza, Highmark Tower, and Rainbow Mall, Arcade Mall, Post Gazette Building. That's one of the bridges. I believe that's the Rachel Carson. Wait for it to load. I'm no longer using my iPad for a main camera. I'm using it as a backup until this is going to be my main one until I get a handy cam, which will be a Christmas present. This is from an undisclosed right there's an undisclosed location. Might be the Allegheny County Jail. Right there's one PBG place. I can keep that in undisclosed location. There will be a video to park the elevators over there. But I'm gonna call that an undisclosed location because it's a private property. Here's a nice bed here. Ample drawer space. Got a chair. My laptop bag. My stuffed animals are in there. My suitcase for my electronics. There's Rarity. Here's my Sharp alarm clock. Negative comments will not be accepted. For anyone who makes fun of everyone who likes Rarity, if you know who she is. Down there's the backyard. There is a view. Here's a desk lamp from IKEA. My penguins pillow I did at school. This is a garbage can. Here's the closet areas. My printer. Here's my Nissan hat. Give me a minute to put it on. Let me know in the comments how I look with a Nissan hat on. So, pretty much that's it. Oh, forgot there's a magnetic cork board